Good morning, everyone. Blake Potter here at Bell Camper Sales. We're in this brand new 2023 Rockwood Mini Lite 2511S. This is one of our most popular floor plans on the market. Figured I'd take a quick 360 video before this thing sells. This is a half-ton towable unit, weighs right under 5,600 pounds, and is only 26 foot long. We're going to start back here in the living room. You got your theater seating over here, electric lumbar, parachute pull recliner, you got storage in the armrest, his and hers cup holders. Got your charging station over here for your phones, your electronic devices. It is directly across from your Connex flat screen TV. You also have your electric fireplace down there that does heat, so it saves a little propane there. Between your fireplace and TV, you got all this storage right here. Real wood cabinets. Over here in the kitchen, just like any other Rockwood, it comes standard with your solid countertops. Double sink. You got your Magic Chef oven over here. 3-burner stove with your backsplash. Don't get no grease back there. Easier to clean. Directly above it, you got your Magic Chef oven. Really easy to get to there. Got a lot of storage up here in the kitchen. Over here, like the other Rockwood, you got your 12-volt fridge. Got a lot more depth back there. There's no radiator in there. All the Rockwoods also come with a tire pressure monitor system. It's a real nice feature. That concludes the living room / kitchen. Now if you'll slide with me back in the bathroom. Here we are in the bathroom. You got your full-size shower over here with your actual glass door. Got the skylight over there for the taller people. I don't have that problem, but some people do. Got your porcelain toilet over here with your foot flush. Over here you got your sink with your vanity. You can still wash your face without hitting your head. You got plenty of storage over here. Got your max air vent right here and all LED lighting throughout. That is the bathroom on the 2511S. Now if you'll jump with me over here in the bedroom. Now we're in the bedroom up here in the master suite. You got your queen bed. Got your wardrobe slide over here. Lots of closet space. Built-in hangers. Got his and her shelf for your charging station. Right here, this little hump right here is your pass-through storage from the outside. It's got tons of storage on the outside. Got his and hers closets up there. More storage up top there. Got a little vent right there in case it gets stuffy. You got your sliding door here, so you have to fold it. It's easier to get around the bed. This concludes the 2023 Rockwood 2511S. Come into Bell Campers and ask for Blake, and I'll get you camping.